Morning, Joy.
Yo, morning. Stick to the five here.
Ooh, breaker. Breaker, breaker. Ooh. You recording, Joy?
Second.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it worked. Dope.
Oh, yeah, it's a drop then. What a,
Morning, Joy.
what a drop.
Sup, bitch made boy?
What's up, goldfish?
I took in the morning. I took a quick long off that liquidity sweep down, bounce off of New Week opening gap. I took it from 39.47 to 39.58.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I could have held it, but because I fucked that. That's more than enough before the open.
Nice.
Yeah, right at like 9:21. I took that whole push up. Well, most of it.
2, 1, 0, 9:45.
Yeah, what a candle. 1 minute candle.
I feel like we can go to 39.20 today, maybe more.
Yeah,
30.
39.20 is the hourly order block that's down here from March 20th.
Yeah, that's March 20th. March yeah, Monday.
Still cold. I'm still in bed.
1 more minute. This breaker's still holding here.
Yep.
Let's see where it closes. So it's got to close above 50.
What breaker? What time frame?
The 5 minute.
The 9:15?
Yeah.
The daily consequential encroachment of the wick is at 3930.5.
For this 5 minute breaker, it's these group of 4 candles that are going up. So if you see how I marked it, low, high, lower, low, it's these group of 4 candles. Not just, it can be just, you can technically use this one candle, but to ensure that it's a real breaker, it's these 4 candles on the 5 minutes that it's going up. So this is where it's like it gets kind of confusing, because sometimes it'll be like a one candle that's an up candle, or sorry, one candle that's a down candle, and the rest of them are up. It's still a grouping of candles. So if you see like a group of candles like this, it's better to take the whole thing.
You're on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Where the fuck do you? Oh, you're looking at those candles. That's 4. Wait, where the fuck do you see this?
7:20 New York time, your time. So my chart's in Eastern Standard.
I marked it the same in my channel. A little more zoomed in now.
Those are 4 candles. Where do you see 5?
4 candles.
It's 4 candles. 1,
Mm.
2, 3, 4.
Let me see that on the. Oh, that is the 5 minute. Oh, you did all of those?
Yes.
I see what you're saying.
You see where I marked the low?
Yeah.
Because this is the low.
Yeah, you did the body of that. Why did you do 5? Why didn't you do
4. The green candles is 4.
4? 4. I mean 4. Why didn't you do that candle, the one at 7:10?
It's not green. There's a black one there.
Because that's not a breaker.
Because this is the low. This is the low candle. The 710, the 75, the 75, 710 grouping is the low candle. Low, high, lower, low.
Low. Yeah, low, high. I see it. Low, high, lower, lower, low.
Yeah. So this breaker here is failing now. It bounced off at once. And so now the higher time frame bias is short on the hourly fair value gap here. With liquidity sitting above 39.64 1/4. So if this hourly candle closes down or semi down, then we're looking for support to go short.
Mm.
And it would be this. The new breaker would be here. The new breaker would be the 9:15 candle.
Looking at the 1 minute, we have relative equal lows at 39.44. Just watch out if we get a displacement here. But, so pay attention.
So on the 1 minute, if we mark the 1 minute breaker, aside from the 5, so let's say this 5 minute breaker is broken through. The 1 mega breaker is the high. You take the highest high here. So it'd be the high, low, higher, high. So it'd be these 3 groupings. Right,
Would it be nice to take a short at 39.44.50?
I don't know. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just gonna annotate the charts because it's a little confusing to answer your questions and trade at the same time.
Go fuck yourself.
He'd shut up. He'd fucking trade and do it at the same time, but you keep talking.
you got like 30,000.
This is what we go through every day, Joey.
30,000 question Albie here. So all right, so technically, right? You take a high, low, higher, high. This is the bearish breaker. So which candles would it be? Or would it be grouping candles or single candles? Tell me, Albie.
For what? For the breaker?
Yeah.
For the breaker. Let's see. It would be that liquidity. Those are the equal lows. Those 3 candles, those 2 candles up there. I don't know what time that is, like 9:10ish.
Yeah, okay.
So that's the breaker.
Cool. So this is the breaker here. And I just take the bodies.
Oh, you do? You're doing all of them?
Only because it gives me
Yeah,
more
because
accurate.
that's a displacement going up. All those candles going up are displacing those, so that would be the breaker. Plus, on a higher time frame, what is that? That's the 1 minute. So
Yeah. So on the 1 minute, it has a displacement underneath the 1 hour fair value gap. Right? Bounces down. Displacement. Now market structure shift. Oh yeah, this is pretty classic.
fuck.
Market structure shift. So if it comes back into if it comes back
also.
if it comes back into this breaker, I'll take the short for the low day.
Yeah, look, bro, that breaker right there on the 5 minute, very pronounced. You could see it. It's going from 39.48 to 39.54. So is that what yours are at? That group?
Yeah.
I'm looking to go 39.49 long.
So here's an order block as well. Market structure shift.
Here we go.
So the lows hasn't gotten taken out yet. So we'll see if this holds here.
I mean, we're at new week opening gap. We had a fair value gap, tiny one up there, 39.52. We have this bearish breaker. So we got a high, a low, a higher high. High.
See where it stopped.
Pay attention to the 944 candle on the 1 minute.
Here we go. Here's the break of it. Previous day low. Boom. Wait for the pullback and let's go. Come on, bitch.
Got taken out. It's still a fair value gap here as well.
Joey, was that a bearish break? That's a bearish breaker, right?
Yeah.
That's why I get confused, bearish and bullish. Does the chart have to...
What? Albie, brother. High, low, higher, high. It's a bearish breaker because you're aiming for the downside.
Okay, and then low,
Low.
high, lower, low is a bullish breaker because you're aiming for the upside.
Yes, brother.
Okay.
There's no way to mistake those.
Okay.
So I am.
I
still,
get confused sometimes with the chart itself, like as
Yeah.
trending up, trending down. That's why I get a little thrown off. This is my problem. I'm gonna shut up now.
You watch my video, bro?
You suck my dick, alright? I'm watching videos.
I think you're shutting up. Stop talking. Shut the fuck up.
I'm going on mute. Fuck all you.
Thank God.
All right. So if the breaker, the fair
There
value gap,
goes long. Damn.
the breaker,
Go back to
the fair value gap, and the order block breaks through, then it's reversing. So what was your reason to go long though, Tim?
The breaker at 39.45.75 to 39.49.
What time? What time?
9:43.
9:43 is a breaker.
9:43, 9:44.
Okay.
Not yet. It hasn't been displaced yet.
Yeah. So your breaker, your bullish breaker, high, low.
There you go. Okay. Wait for the retracement.
It did displace it on the freaking 54 candle now. 52 candle.
52.
Yeah, brother.
No.
I don't know what you're. Honestly, that's not really a breaker because you gotta take it from. It just can't be any low, high, lower, low. It has to either sweep liquidity for the reversal, or it's going for the lows and the highs. So right now, right, because of the bearish breaker, we expected it to go take out the lows, but since it reversed on us and it failed, now we're looking for a I wouldn't even say look for a breaker on the 1 minute time frame, because this 5 minute breaker is still in play.
Okay.
Right, because a 5 minute breaker is the lowest low. You see it? The lowest closed candle.
Are you speaking of the 9:45 candle, or are you speaking of the?
I'm
What are
speaking
you talking
of
about?
the 7:15, the 7:20, the 7:35 candles. Our original breakers. Nate's breaker on this chart. Right, if we're sticking to the 5 minute, then this breaker is holding.
Bro, if she retraces back into this, nice liquidity sweep up of those equal highs up there, 39.63.
Right.
This is going to be a perfect setup for fucking long. So it's got to take out 39.63, those equal highs, retrace back down. The breaker is going to be bullish breaker, bullish breaker, bullish breaker. Hold on.
So
Wait,
all right, stop guys. So this is just technically an order block, okay? This is just an order block here.
47, you mean?
For a continuation lower, right? So it broke through the order block. It broke through this grouping order blocks from the breaker and the fair value gap, right? So the fair value gap failed, right? Fair value gap failed, order block failed, and a breaker failed. So if you have those three PD arrays failing, then it's likely to reverse. So because it's now reversing, we're going to look for whether or not this fair value gap here that was broken is a support. Right, so this fair value gap would technically turn into an inversion fair value gap for a support. So Tim, your objective of marking this 943, 944 candle as a breaker is incorrect. It's more of an order block and a fair value gap. The real breaker is on the higher time frame over here on the left. Because this candle closed low at 807 is lower than your lower
So
low.
you see, so on the short time frame, do you see what I'm talking about though? So you have your equal lows at 43 and 45, and then wouldn't that be liquidity rate at 947 to 49? Push back up against if that was a shorter time breaker.
No, bro. Liquidity rate is the low of day. New low of day.
You're speaking of the one that
Over here.
What time?
807.
Correct.
Yes. So it's just a failed PD array.
Exactly. And you would reverse it.
Yes, but it's not a breaker. So don't try to get mixed up because you're gonna draw all these breakers in the wrong areas.
Okay. So from what I listened to yesterday, I'm just gonna give you my 2 cents on this real quick. So basically how ICT said it, and I heard what he said. So basically, I know I'm not calling it the right thing. So if it goes through it, you can go long through it. If it rejects it, short it.
So what are you calling it?
I don't care what it's called. I just know what's identified. That's my fucking point. I don't give a fuck what you call it.
Yeah, but you need to mark. You got to be able to mark the fair value gaps though. So you guys didn't catch any of the fair value gaps.
No, correct.
You guys are really like focus on these breakers, but you have all these other PD arrays you've learned, order blocks, fair value gaps.
Yeah.
So like I said, if 3 fails, the order block failed, fair value gap failed, and the breaker failed, then we're likely reversing.
Okay.
So
now, you're using 3. You're stacking your whatchamacallits to come up with a
this triple,
idea to see what's going on.
Yeah,
to get your bias.
This triple stack PD array usually doesn't fail. Like it'll bounce in and then it'll take out liquidity. But I said before I wanted to wait for the hourly to close here at 10 o'clock. Right, because this is manipulation. First 30 minutes is manipulation. So there's this tiny fair value gap here that is just entered here.
Sounds so hot. Teaching us. It's fucking hot.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't forget your basics of fair value gaps.
Okay.
And order blocks. You know, the breaker block is just it's one more PD array that will help you aid you in the finding support resistance and entries and stuff. But here's the fair value gap long. That was nice. If she comes back, we can take it. So then we'll mark this here as an order block. This down candle here, the lowest down candle here. Top of that, gonna be an order block. Right. So now here's 2 PD arrays: a fair value gap and an order block. So if price, if you're gonna take a long, for example, let's take a long here. Technical stop loss would be beneath this 1 minute close of this order block, and then TP is these equal highs here above that. Yeah, it's gonna go for it. What time's it? 7 o'clock. Okay, you got 10 more minutes, and this would be the Let's see what the 60-minute looks like. Okay, there we go. So liquidity
Oh, wow.
sweep here. Yep.
Woo, let's go. I just rolled up for fucking 12 points.
So I took that there. I'm in trim. Leave one runner. Still, your stop loss is still gonna be beneath this last order block. So you got the fair value gap and the order block, and then now the hourly fair value gap that's breaking above. Let's move this up here.
Burn, you entered right after I said that, right?
Yeah. So the real entry is here. This fair value gap here, because you want to make sure that it did its place, and if it's not coming back into the inversion, then you have a chance to come here to take out the highs.
What was your entry, Burn? Was it the 955 candle?
My entry was
3952.
Burn.
Yeah,
What time?
3952. 3952.
Mm-hmm.
So why'd you enter at 3952?
Mini raid on the minute. Maybe it's not necessarily like a full-on sell-side liquidity raid, but just a mini raid off of equal lows. Not necessarily a breaker, but a retest of those two candles at 944, 945. It became support. I just had a limit order set there, and it tagged to the tick, exactly to the tick. And then I drew out the order block on 940. That held, and then it just kept going.
And it bounced PDL.
It's a weekly open price target, and I put my price target at 64 for the overshoot, for the light overshoot, and then yeah.
So you took a balanced price range entry?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that was, to me that was a little risky, only because the PD array itself wasn't tested. So I'd like to wait for it to show me something, show me a fair value gap, because that's my edge, is the fair value gap and order block and breaker block.
Right.
So that was a low risk entry, the low risk degen entry for you, because you didn't have very much stop loss beneath it.
Yeah, the stop loss for me was the previous day low and the bottom of that body on the 944 candle. So I mean, risk to reward was still, pretty solid. That's why I took it.
Yeah, it was like 46 was the...
That would be the lowest.
Yeah.
Mine was 48. I had it 48.25. I mean, you risk 4 points and gain 12 points.
It was a 3R.
Yeah. Here, let me see, 5 minutes. Where are we in the 5 minute, Joey? We are.
There's a liquidity right there, yeah.
What is it? I'm still kind of confused, because what is this liquidity raid you guys are looking at?
So if you look at the 929, 930 candle, and then the break up there, the push, the weekly open, then it bounced it down. So that was a liquidity rate up there.
Oh yeah. That for the bullish, yes. But I'm more I'm concerned because I'm questioning, and I'm wondering how you guys are entering the long if it's not giving you a fair value gap, an order block, or a breaker block entry, because I thought that's what you guys wanted your edge to be part of. Like the balanced price range is a good entry, but that isn't anything that any of the edge that you guys are learning or like asking about. You guys are asking about the breaker blocks, fair value gaps, and order blocks. So if we're basing our trades off of it, you know what I mean? Like Burn's a little more advanced than you guys.
Oh, for sure. I just picked this up 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So I'm not calling it anything. I'm just knowing what to look for and like his rules that he shared with us, and
Right.
I'm just following it off of that. And
Right.
then, well, like I say, I put ICT's 2 cents into it, so I'm identifying those blocks. And once it breaks through there with power, then you know it's going to go. And if it doesn't, then it's going to reverse. So if it doesn't go, then it's going to come back down.
Right.
I don't know the techniques, to be quite honest with you. I'm not trying to act like I know some shit that I don't. I just know what I've been seeing working for the last fucking 2 days.
But it's still not like a. I guess so. Yeah.
Well, you said you're stacking. You know more because you're stacking all the different things, and I don't know how to put all that together. I'm just knowing what works right now.
Right.
Yeah.
And I just want to make sure that you're looking for the right things in the right areas at the right time.
Okay. No, you're definitely teaching it right. I'm just not. I'm just looking to see what I see and just telling you what I'm seeing.
Yeah. So this fair value gap is still holding. I'm still holding one contract here.
Would you
But
long, Joy?
disrespect
Say
that
again?
957 candle.
Say again.
Where did you long, Joy?
I longed the rejection of this fair value gap. I waited for it to come back. I waited for it to come back and find support in it, and then I took it at
Yeah.
59.
59. Okay, gotcha. I see it. Okay. I see it.
So what I'm doing is I'm waiting to make sure that the fair value gap is holding. Right. It's not
Yeah.
just blindly entering in the gap.
Yep.
And that just makes me more confident to size in to find the break of these equal highs.
Okay.
Because if we're looking on the hourly now, see how the hourly is still in its gap. So
Okay.
better to close this bit.
So now it respected that the 957 candle again, correct?
Right.
Okay.
My hourly order block from this morning and yesterday hit to the T. So this was kind of weird. I wish I swung it though. Overnight session.
Yeah, that would have been like nuts.
And this order block, this location of the order block, I just want you guys to know that it's in between the CIBI and a BC, and therefore it's like the turning point. So if price ever breaks above this order block, or sorry, this breaker block, as well as an order block here, then it's gonna reverse and fill in these gaps here. So fair value gap is holding. Let's see if this order block holding.
Nope.
708, 79, 10. 7 a.m. raid. What is it? Sorry, not 7. 10 a.m. raid. Let's see if it comes back down for these lows.
So now you're looking to see if it goes to PDL basically, and that would you count? So basically that order block there, I think it's an order block. I'm not sure. Is that the 945 to 947 candle, or are you just looking at the candle at 951?
So this candle
Which
here,
I'm looking at the
the 954 candle, the 954 candle is important because that's like the last down candle before the chain of moves.
Okay.
So this is the turning point. You see how there's no space around it?
Yes.
And it's the only down candle in this area. So if this fair value gap fails and this order block fails, then we have to see whether or not it bounces off this inversion fair value gap.
Okay. Gotcha. So that's why we're keeping the fair value gap still in our heads to say it can still go long if it bounces that one.
Yeah, because the fair value gap, the inversion fair value gap is in discount.
Okay.
You see that? So it's
Yep.
so we have to make sure that this fails and it comes back down here. Right? Because look, it technically should have taken liquidity down here, and that reversal would have, where you guys entered long, here. I think because it was like 50%, it passed the 50% fib between the range, right? The daily range, the opening range. So this is where the IR IDR stuff comes into play, because if it's on the other side of it, 50% side, then it's more likely to go for the buy side liquidity. And I think that's the other reason Burn took the long, but he doesn't know it.
I'll tell you why I fucking took it long.
Because that's the dealing range, the opening dealing range of the first 30 minutes. So
I took the Burn fucking Tuesday night class, and I'm fucking I'm a demon now.
So there's a reason why you guys took it. I just had to think about it for a little bit. That's the opening dealing range, IR IDR stuff. And if it crosses 50, then it's likely to go for the equal highs buy side. So yes, Tim, I can explain why you took the long there.
I know, Joey. I know you like to know exactly why.
You need to, man. You need to know why you take these trades.
Because Burn said so.
Burn says so. But that's a different strategy altogether, you know. But it works.
No, I understand. Like I said, you're trying to show the correct concept and everything. I get that, and I appreciate that. Just gonna need a lot more Joey time. I'm not sure if you want to put all that Joey time into this, Joey. Can't come in here one day.
I did do it. I did it every day for like 3 weeks.
Dude, you're way better than you were before. Come on.
Back in what was it?
November.
September, October, November.
Yeah.
November was when I started. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Ran out of freaking battery. Fuck.
So we're holding this here, and we just gotta mark up all the charts.
Alexa, turn on top light.
Hey Alexa, play. No.
Alexa, call that girl I slept with last night.
Too far, it's too far.
Oh yeah, baby. Fair value gap still holding.
Yeah, there's the push up. Wow. What's your target above now, Joey?
My target above. We just gotta look left here. The equal highs up here, which is 60 minutes. I think it's
39.88.
Let's see 39.68. So one.
I'm gonna try to see if we could get a retracement here.
Nope. Damn, she gone.
There she gone. Where's your next equal high showing? What level is that?
My new equal highs. I think we should just fib this. Hang on a second.
Oh yeah. I mean, we got the 323 end dog draw also up there.
Yep. That was that 39.88. Yeah.
7:15. 7:15. So I'm not gonna take a trade.
Gotcha. I looked away and the fucking next two candles are.
Yeah, dude. It's just another liquidity raid. It's gonna be a bing bong chop market today.
Yeah.
39.80.
Okay, that failed. What the fuck? We are in the NWOG 319 NWOG.
So displacement down here. This failed. We got a buy side, sell side, inefficiency. The hourly, the 16-minute. Damn. Okay.
Oh.
So you see how this hourly is still in this fair value gap?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a no go.
Pay attention to the body.
Check that 68. So this break is done. Move that. This inversion fair value gap is the next. Ooh, it's nice and quiet. We don't have Albie asking questions.
You just speak too soon.
Yeah. Look at that. Sheesh. Sheesh. So fair value gap failing.
Damn, my connection is lagging. I see your chart go first and then mine goes after like a second.
You on replay?
No, I'm not.
Here's a breakaway gap. I don't think it's gonna come back to it. But it did wick into that inversion fair value gap here. A little confusing, right? You see how today is like it's not very clear. So I'm a little hesitant to take a trade. Look at that. It's holding. Jeez. Alright, who took that short?
Same. Oh my god, let's fucking go.
Good short. Good short. Good short.
Perfect short, Joey. Oh damn.
Six points there. Trimming. Uh, 52, 3, 33. It needs to hold. Last candle here. So this order block that I marked on the left at 954. Let's see it hold here. So now we have a double stacked array again. Right, we got a fair value gap and an order block. So this fair value gap needs to hold as support. And we're gonna take sell side. So the dealing range, if we mark the dealing range from the open, right, from the lowest at the open is 949 to the highest. We are on the discount side of the what's IDR again, Bird?
Oh, I have it up. Sorry.
IDR. I'm saying what's the acronym?
Oh,
Internal dealing range or something, right?
yeah, internal dealing range. Yes.
Okay.
All right, I'm moving up my stops to break even here.
What time is it? 10:07:20.
But just clarifying, Joe, because I always label it this way, but by virtue, the 1018 candle becomes an order block.
Yes. So you'll mark
Okay.
the bottom of it.
Okay, good. Yeah. So that's how I've been doing it. Let's go. I'm trying to go for fucking 3937.5.
Yeah, it's gonna sweep it by like 3 points too.
Yeah, let's go. Let's fucking go.
Uh,
Joe, I fucking love you, bro.
Good shit. 59.
Moving up stops to the vid.
There's 10 points there.
Come on, keep going, baby. Keep going. All right. Order block here. Be careful. Moving up stops.
That was my first trim.
Yeah, waiting for this inversion for a value gap to hold.
Come on, take it.
Hold, motherfucker, hold.
What time did it start? 7:15? No, yeah, 10:15 it started. 10:15. So let's go. It's gonna be 10:45. So I hope.
Oh. Come on.
45. 10:45.
Oh, fucker. I got stopped out.
10:45. So here's 10:45 right here. So it needs to reach liquidity by 10:45, or I'm a little hesitant to stay on it.
Yeah, I moved up my stops.
We got
I got
a volume imbalance right here. Let's see if it comes back for it.
Fun times.
But yeah, this inversion gap is holding nicely. Needs to go though.
Yeah, definitely needs to fucking go. She'll go.
Here we go.
She'll go.
So the order block would move down if these 3 candles or 2 candles. If this next one breaks down lower, we'll mark these lows, these up candles as the new order block.
So there was an equal low on whatchamacallit there, and that's the order block.
I'm paying attention to the volume imbalance right there.
Sorry,
That Joey just drew also.
See, now we talking ICT, guys. Hell yeah, fair value gap.
Shut up, Joey.
That's all you needed was fair value gap.
All right, the volume imbalance got adjusted right there, barely.
So what ICT would be saying is it was going down to grab more liquidity to make higher move up, correct?
There you go. Oh, I got stopped out. 4 points. 4-point play for me.
Look at that.
It's
So,
okay.
so our original play was the inversion gap to long, right? To long because it was in the discount side.
It's all good.
But yeah, dude, we took 10 points. I mean, I took 10 points on
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, I took partials and then I took. I got stopped out on my second one.
That's perfect.
I just played spy there. But
So 1 minute
Good iron
closing.
equal lows. Too. So now, if it breaks this order block, that could become the inversion. If it breaks it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's Bing Bong market, guys.
There you go. Yep.
Straight Bing Bong.
Yep.
Wow.
Hey, we take what we can though.
Wow, straight.
Yep. All right, here. Relabeling here.
Holy moly.
Delete that and this order block. Pay attention to this order block. Hopefully it becomes support. Next, let me see. Next level up. What was it here? Yeah.
The next level up is the equal highs here at 77.
Yep. We'll mark that.
Quarter, and then after that is 84 and a quarter. 84 and a half. So on the 5 minute, yeah, on the 5 minutes is what it shows. And then we have a 5 minute fair value gap
Gotcha.
from last week at 90, which is also the hourly breaker.
Yep. And also, I just kind of realized, since it's kind of like a big bongy market, take what you can, fellas. That 10 points was the perfect take profit, actually.
I mean, I never hold that long anyway, so fuck. Was that 10 points in 1, 2, 3 candles?
Yep.
You're not taking 10 points in 3 minutes?
Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Bro, Joe, it was fucking hilarious yesterday in the last play. You know, I'm just like saying like, okay, this needs to hold, blah, blah, blah. And then me and Fee just heard, order filled. Fucking Oman DJ, bro. I was like, what the fuck, Oman? I said, this needs to hold. Dude, like, there isn't even like a confirmation. You're just like, oh, I'm confident. You're calling it.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Here's IOFED here, maybe. Let's see if it holds.
Oh,
so he entered that long at the end of the day?
Yeah. Well, the second part of it, because I was already in.
Damn.
IOFED right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep.
So this becomes the new inversion fair value gap.
Yeah. I missed the entry.
wow.
Oh, I missed my fucking entry. Fuck.
Good
Yeah.
stuff. 32.
Oh, good. It might go back. Please come back. I was just saying yesterday, I don't know who was in the room. I know mine and B were in there, but like, you know, I appreciated the mentorship that Reality and Sunny kind of, you know, taught us, but it was never really taught this precisely.
Yeah.
There was always like a guessing game part to it.
Always, dude, because we weren't even on
Yeah,
just ES. We were on SPX.
everything.
And here's the fair value gap here.
There you go, pounds. Retest.
This is real price action. It beats. You know what it does? It beats tape reading though. I can't. I don't know how they do tape reading, dude.
Yeah, I don't know how they do the number tape reading.
The level two stuff. Duh.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
That's like reality said, fuck tape reading.
Yeah.
Burn was like, oh yeah, because he calls this tape reading now, like reading price action, and fucking reality's like, no, fucking the tape is bullshit. He's like, no, he's like, we call this reading the tape. That shit was funny.
Yeah.
See if it comes back for this fair value gap.
I didn't realize it was in a gap on SPY right now, all the way to 393.12.
Yeah, look at this is the regular trading hours here, all the way up to 75.
Oh my god, yeah, yep. Yeah, 3988 and dog, bro.
Yeah.
Or wait, no, this is a previous. Never mind. I'm tripping. I did take one contract off of that fair value gap retest for continuation though. Just one. And I have it at break even. Stop loss. I don't fucking
See what it
lose
says.
anything from this chase.
See what it says on the 5 minute here. So we got a new breaker. Let's move up our breaker. Which one's going to be our breaker? This one?
I didn't go to sleep.
I like that.
It'll be a 5 minute candle, 5 minute breaker. We'll check the bodies here.
All right, I'm gonna exit non-profit right now, so I think it's gonna go back down. Okay, I'm out.
Let's see what it looks like. It's all of this here. I don't know, man. Today's a little weird.
Yeah, I feel it.
I think she's gonna just come test the 3964.
Oh, good exit, Byron. Good exit. I'm paying attention to the 1013 candle, and if that holds or not.
Okay.
See what it sees on the 15. Minute, 30 minute. Order block here, 30 minute at 62. Okay. 62. Yeah.
I took one con there off that retest. Oh, let's go burn. Fuck yeah. All right, I want 3977.25.
Let's see here. There's no.
What time is it? 7:34. Okay.
Yeah, you guys see how there's also no down candles on the 1 minute in this area, and how it was the same here between like the open and 10, and how price came back to it to fill it. So if this fails, then I think it's gonna come back down here to fill this inefficiency. We got the CIBI, the BC, and then this inversion fair value gap and the IOFED. If it breaks this fair value gap here, I think it's coming down to touch this 3960, 3962, which also pairs up with this order block here on the 30 minute.
That's it.
Uh, 735. So let's see here. I'm gonna wait wait a little longer.
Yeah, I got a stop loss at 365, which is a 1.5 stop loss. 1.5. Yeah.
I think reality is supposed to be in here today.
I'm not getting stopped out. Yeah, 1 point. One takeaway. Oh, stopped out. Yeah, he was asking me. It's like, yeah, feel free to ask, bro. Like, he messaged you, right, Joe?
Yeah, I told him I do live Friday all day, so
Yeah.
I thought he'd come.
Yep.
And sunny too. So the other way to trade is to take fair value gap entries from PD array to PD array.
Mhm.
That's basically scalping between the range. So it takes a little more concentration.
Yeah, we don't need Albie asking questions all the time.
He muted himself. Oh shit, I have him muted. Oh shit, has he been talking?
No, he ain't doing nothing. Albie, we don't love you. Albie, seriously? I
Boom.
think he's a little upset.
Is he upset? Asking too much questions?
Ask all the questions. Sweet. Up, little volume imbalance there on the 1 minute. Here we go. Boom. Clean that up. Short.
Are you trading live, Joey, or are you just tape reading?
I took the long entry and the short entry.
Gotcha.
I took this short entry at 10:18.
It only took like 4 months, right, for everyone to get on the same page.
Yeah, it's gonna take a little longer for everyone to grasp it on their own.
Yeah.
That's how. I mean, I'm still trying to learn. I mean, I know I got better, but it's like when I just had realized the time aspect like last month.
Mm. Yeah.
I mean, you've been at this for what, like 8 months?
Yeah, dude, since last September. I posted the first post September, so I was there before that. I was studying it in August before I realized this was something concrete and shared it with you guys.
Yeah.
Because you had like 3 months on us, I think.
Yeah.
I was just shortly behind you because, like, when I found the displacement play, that was when, like, shit really started going for me.
Yeah, the displacement was classic, man. It's like,
Yeah.
you can tell there's volume in there. You can tell that the price wanted to move. And that was the basic candlestick reading. That's like price action reading there. Let's
Yeah.
see the short holds. Ooh, I want to get back in so bad.
The 5 minute move.
Big move incoming on NQ. Huge squeeze on 5-minute time frame. I don't know about that, but it is curling though. This is a classic bull, a bull curl.
Mm. Yeah. Me too.
Short. Dang, I should have shorted that. Mother.
I shorted it.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't see
I'm done after this.
a liquidity thing, and then
Oh.
so they take it.
Yeah, I lost a couple of demo trades in the morning, shorting low.
Let's fucking go.
Mm.
There we go. Come on, film me, bitch.
Price reverse.
Perfect. I bought the volume imbalance.
Nice. So, you know we're just fucking around with you, Albie.
No, we're not. Don't let them say that to you, Abby. We're not fucking real. We're serious. I fucking hate you guys. Listen, all you gotta do is buy me and Burn dinner a couple nights, and we'll be best friends again.
Oh, Nate's trying to concentrate. Think he left, right? Yeah.
We're back to be up here, yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna down myself for fucking 2 cents.
Sunny also sees the NQ squeeze.
So 18 more minutes for this 30-minute candle to close here. That's what I'm interested in.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that macro.
So from 10:15, from 10:15 to 10:45, price just came back to where it was.
Let's go.
Delete my drawings here. Redraw sheet.
I like that imbalance there at 391. It's fine. Let's see what ES is. If it has the same imbalance. Oh, it doesn't on ES. I guess it does. 3952 imbalance.
Yeah, I mean it's just hovering here on this 319 and log. So, and it's a Friday also.
Oh yeah, let's go. Still holding. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we need to do some house cleaning here too. I don't know if who's active here. Fantasy. I don't know. I've never seen him.
That's it. That's Abe's guy.
It's Abe's
Oh, yeah.
friend.
And Ben. That's also Abe's friend, right?
Yeah, Ben is the Russian mafia killer. Yeah, he was Hassan's mentee with Chippy in reality.
Gotcha.
Bend over.
Yeah, Ben the Russian bear.
Bend over. Alrighty.
$10.44. One more minute. Let's see where it closes.
Oh yeah, have you been trading with Alan, Mad Monkey?
We share ideas.
Okay. Is he good?
Yeah,
Has he got down ICT?
Yeah, he and I have the same model.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've never really seen his charts, so I don't know.
Getting a little confused in here. I don't want to push it.
Oops, I'm gonna grab the scout.
Nice. Just be patient. Oh, for
There
me.
was another gap there on the 15 second. Oh shit. Let's fucking go. Come on.
Oh, it's going.
Oh yeah, 389. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Take a play, Joey.
Gia Day keeps mommy away. Yeah, yeah. I'm in mad payout now. I took that here. 59 to 53.
Dope.
53 and a quarter. Damn, ticked it. I'll take 5 points in like 40 seconds, dude. That's me.
Yeah. You still, I mean, with your sizing, of course, yeah.
No, I only took 3 cons there.
I mean, still though, you know. 3 cons ain't nothing to fuck with.
Nope.
I like how ICT said yesterday, like, all you need is fucking $200 just to replace your day job. Something like that.
Man, he talking about people that live in the Midwest and Maryland. 200 a day? Even homeless people can't live on 200 a day.
That's because you guys are fucked up in California and giving money to all the fucking blacks.
Joey, congrats, man.
That's because Joey's over here giving everybody free fucking houses.
Oh, yeah.
Still holding here. Still holding, still holding, still holding.
It's fairly slow for like a 7 a.m., 8 a.m. run.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very slow.
Oh, she waked up and volume imbalance. Fuck, I should have sold that. God damn it. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, you saw that on the 15 second?
Yeah. I said I lost track of it because I switched back to ES to see where you guys were, and it fucking wicked it 3 times, and I was bouncing it. That was a mistake. I should have sold.
Oh, you're in Q.
No, yeah, SPY.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
There was one on ES too, though.
Yeah, I think I've came to the realization and like to be content with sitting and waiting and not taking a trade until it really comes. And if we realize that if it comes every day, dude, every day they always have 2 plays, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. But if we're patient enough to sit and wait just for that one play,
bro,
then you can catch 5, 6, 10 points easy, and that's all you need a day.
That's
on
the
the fucking
hardest
one that there's
thing.
like 20 plays a day.
Yeah, when I finally understood that, I was like, fuck it, I'll take demo trades until the setup comes that I like.
Yep. Bro, when I first had that realization, like, I was just like, oh man, yeah, this I don't have to trade every second.
What a fucking hold.
Nice, Tim.
Inversion fair value gap hold in.
It's gonna go for PDL again.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that concept of just waiting, just wait for your entry model to show up, you know, and it's okay, and being okay with it not showing up when you expect it to show.
Yeah. I mean, also missing it too. Understanding.
Yes.
Okay, that's whatever.
Yeah.
You're good. Move
And,
on.
and that's basically all of the retail human emotions. It's FOMO, ego, right? Revenge trading.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I still kind of have revenge trading, but I don't have FOMO as much.
Mm. Yeah, you're really big on revenge trading.
Yeah, dude. Trying to.
I remember that time we fucking.
Alan would do so. He would do the same thing.
Yeah, dude. I remember. I remember my first PAs, my first live funded. I was.
Yeah, bro, you were at 12 G's.
I was
and then
at 12
fucking-
G's. I was down 7K in a trade, and I said, "Fuck it, I'm gonna hold." And then it brought me back.
And then you were up again by
Yeah,
7, and then you
yeah.
didn't exit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy. I was like, oh my god, Joey.
So that was a big lesson. Yeah, I had to go through that emotionally, but now
Yeah.
I'm fucking.
Emotion, no destruction.
Damage.
Yeah, it's a search and destroy type of day. So we'll take these internal liquidity sweeps here.
Mhm. Yeah, it's quick.
I'm looking 390.4 on spot. Let's see.
Um, later.
It's the breaker. Or sorry, order block. Sorry, order block. It's the breaker. Listen, I don't know what to fucking call it, Joey, but I know it's something, alright? That's what I'm fucking looking at.
Yeah, you see what I was mentioning before on this run up.
Yeah.
From
Mhm.
950 to 1050, there wasn't really a pullback, and it was the same as this run up from 1022 to 1031. There was no pullback. So when price leaves like this on the 5-minute, it looks like a BC, right? Buy side inefficiency. Buy side imbalance.
Okay.
Sell side inefficiency. So we know that the run up is there was a need for a pullback, and the pullback would have been to this level here, 39.60. So that's why I exited when I entered here at this upper fair value gap. The exit was here.
Okay.
Right, from internal PD array to PD array. But this is important. The structure of this area here is what we should be studying as well. Yeah, that's something to keep in mind. Is time and location.
Yeah.
5-minute chart looks like that. It looks ugly, dude. Today's so ugly.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5. I'm just like, what the fuck?
Can't believe we made some dough in an ugly ass day. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Back to VWAP. Come on down, bitch.
Damn, that pre-market fucking downside run was money though. Like you had to be awake hella early.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I was up till I ended up waking up till 2:30 this morning. I was so tired.
Oh my goodness.
Curtis was getting us back the results, so
Oh shit, how's that going?
going good.
Nice.
So we have everything all ironed out pretty much. Just need he ran the test today, but he's probably still sleeping. Let me see what time. Yeah, he's still sleeping. He won't wake up till probably like 2 because he was up late too last night.
Dang.
But we have to do some more tweaking, and Monday we're gonna go live, so it should be good. We'll see what it did today, and then I want to trim the fat and we'll be ready to go.
Yeah, I can't wait, bro. Like, once we all start implementing. I know he's gonna have to adjust it like seasonally or something, because I know.
It'll be adjusted actually every week.
Really?
Yeah.
He has to adjust it every week.
Yep.
Wow.
Mhm.
Hey, I'm gonna stop the stream here, and then I'll post a recording on YouTube.
For sure.
Okay.